Someone came. Yes, good evening, students. Welcome back to the Craft Academy. Crafting in Minds. Today we're with grammar again and with the transformation of speech, transformation of sentences, sorry. And also, I had given you the assignment. Remember that? Remember the assignment, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, how many of you have brought the assignments? That is, we had the story writing. Story writing, right? Stories. Now, this was the haunting mansion. How many of you good children have written down? You said on Monday. Anyone has brought? Quick. Come on, answer. At the end of the lecture? Okay, I'll ask you at the end, okay? Fine, be ready with your assignment. So we are with the transformation of sentences, and that is, as you know, transformation is change of sentence from one form to another form without changing its meaning, right? We have already seen the sentences with the adverb to, containing the adverb to, and how we should form those sentences, like the news is too good to be true and the news is so good that it cannot be true. We have done that. Next, active passive, interchange of active passive. What is active voice actually? What is active? Active voice is when the doer of the sentence is active, it is doing something. When the person is a passive, passive is when the doer of the sentence is receiving, and it is passive, not doing anything. Okay, now give the order, let the order be given. Active, someone has picked my pocket. So this becomes the subject here. My pocket has been picked. Remember, you have to keep in mind the tense. Someone has picked. So this is the past tense. Right? My pocket has been picked. Active here, one should keep one's promises. Meaning, a person should keep the promises. Now, promises should be kept. Here, your subject is understood. Here it's written one should keep one's promises. So, subject is understood, promises should be kept. Okay, let's go to the next, affirmative, negative. Affirmative means having a positive. Affirmative. Negative means negation. Affirmative sentences transform into, let's see. I was doubtful whether it was you. Okay, I was not sure. So you have to find out what is the meaning of doubtful. Meaning of doubtful is not being sure. So I was not sure that it was you. Affirmative again, as soon as he saw us, he ran away. No sooner did, have you seen the helping verb? No sooner did he see is THAN, then he ran away. Be careful, you should not write THEN. A का जगह में and A का जगह में if you write E, then it is wrong. So no sooner did he see us than he ran away. Affirmative, he is the cleverest man in the town. No other man in the town is as clever as he. So, this we are interchanging the kind of sentences without changing its meaning from affirmative to negative. Interrogative. Interrogative meaning asking questions. Assertive meaning it is stating. Can anyone bear such an insult? Okay, we have seen all this. We are just doing a revision. So the question is the statement, meaning of the statement is you cannot bear such an insult. So no one can bear such an insult. Is not blood thicker than water? I told you this is in relation to the blood relation. So blood is thicker than water. Here this is in depiction of that blood relation, right? Interrogating who does not love his country? The meaning here is everybody loves. Who does not love? You can't write nobody loves his country. Everybody loves his country. That is, you are giving the statement in a changed form, but the meaning shouldn't change. Okay. Now exclamatory. What is exclamatory? Exclamatory is bringing out the sudden feelings of the mind. Assertive, there again it's giving the statement. How well she sings, meaning the meaning of the statement says that she sings very well. When the exclamation mark is there, it is showing the degree of her caliber or degree of how much she knows, her skill. So she sings very well. You should use the word very because it shows that she sings very well. How well she sings. Have you seen that? So she sings very well. You should use the word very because it gives emphasis bhar deta यहाँ पर exclamatory. Oh that I were young again. What does it mean? That the person saying this statement says that he wants to be young again and see an exclamation mark. So that is his wish, his desire, his longing. So I wish that I were young again. See the usage of I were. You can't say I was. I wish that I were young again. Alas, poor Vim lies dead. Here it is bringing the depiction of sorrow. So it is very sad. Alas again is sorrow. Okay. So it's not simply sad, it is very sad that poor Vimla is dead. Okay, the statement after that will be the same, but you have to interchange the sentence using the assertive, that is the statement. Assertive means stating, statement. Okay, go to the next. Interchange of degree of comparison. Now, here, what are the degrees of comparison? You know it, positive, comparative, superlative. Now, here, I have never seen such a beautiful place. So, it is that there are so many places, so he has never seen, just we are doing the revision of it. Remember, we have already done it. This place is more beautiful than any other place that I have ever seen. More beautiful. Okay, it is comparative. Now when we go to the superlative, you have to keep in mind this is the most beautiful because the positive says that I have never seen such a beautiful place. So the positive gives you an idea that that is the best place. So with beautiful you will say more most, therefore the most beautiful place that I've ever seen. Okay. Now positive here, no other metal is as useful as iron. Now we are talking of the iron, metal iron, which is compared with the others, the rest of the metals. So iron is more useful than. Now when you get this 8 marks question in your question paper, don't you forget to complete it in the correct manner. Therefore you should do practice writing only. If you write the answer with your hand and then write it in your notebook, it will be as a record. But if you simply read it, that's just going to be ahead, but you're going to forget it. So be careful. Writing is very important. Superlative iron is the most useful of all the metals because we have seen that there is no other metal. The person says no other metal, so you're getting the idea. This is the most. Your superlative and is the most useful. With useful, you know it is more and most. Okay. I am stronger than he. Now the comparison is only between I and he. Therefore there is no superlative. He is stronger than I. Okay. When there is no what to say, not more than two, then you should understand you can get only the positive and the comparative. Here the two persons are pronouns I and he. Did you understand, students? Okay, go to the next. Interchange of parts of speech. We have already done it here. Rude reply. He replied me rudely. I see him daily. I see him every day. You just try to understand what the meaning of this particular word is. You'll understand. I see him every day. I see him daily. Okay. The change of words but giving the same meaning. The apples cost 80 rupees a dozen. Fine. Now here it cost you. Here is a verb. The cost of these apples. Here this is a noun. Cost of what is the cost of these apples? 80 rupees a dozen. Okay. Now he did not consent to my plan. Giving his consent, his approval. So that is a verb. He did not give his consent to my plan here. That is as a noun. He did not consent. Have you seen this? He did not consent. Directly he has written. It's directly written. But here he did not give his consent. Here it is in the form of a N means noun one. Noun and here it is verb. Do you understand? Soldiers fought bravely. As you know, ly is adverb. Soldiers put a brave fight here. Fight here is as an adjective. What type of a fight? A brave fight. Okay. Fight is noun. How did they fight? Bravely. And therefore the soldiers put a brave fight. Okay. So the adjective brave. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mangoes are so costly that you cannot buy them. Yes, I had given you this in assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
We have also practiced in the class. Fine. One child, Mona was okay. The mangoes are too costly.
To buy
Answer.
them.
Yes, too costly to buy. Them also नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा because it is understood. To buy. Mona was too proud to pay the school. Sorry, too poor to pay the school fees. Sorry, slip of the tongue. Mona was so
So so
poor.
poor that she cannot pay her school fees.
Yes, was. देखो यहाँ पर was है, tense को change नहीं करना है. Mona was so poor that she could not pay her school fees. The girl is too ill to come to school. The girl
The
is.
girl is so ill that she can't go to school.
She cannot she cannot come to school. Say come, okay. An honest man is trusted by all.
All
What?
trust the honest man.
Honest. H silent है my dear. Okay.
All trusted and honest man.
All trust. Simply trust. Okay. One should respect one's parents. Parents
Respected.
should be respected. सारे बच्चों को पता चलता है कि नहीं?
Respected.
Okay. Simply parents should be respected. Okay. By all it is understood. Sometimes you know the subject is understood. The criminal will be arrested. Who will arrest the
The
criminal?
police will arrest the criminal.
Finish. Simple. Who is
The
that?
police will arrest the
Swayam answered. Who answered this?
Vedant.
Vedant. Okay, fine. The police
Vedant.
arrested the criminal. Fine. I am not as rich as he. He is.
Richer than me.
Yes, I am not as richer than he. So he is richer than me. Simple. Who can forget the happy days? No one
Can
Can
forget.
forget
those
those
happy days.
happy days.
happy days. It is a statement, therefore your this question mark will go away, right? Have you all done this assignment or just telling on your own? You are in the habit of doing the assignment, be very careful, okay? Right, because you need a lot of practice, okay? When you come to
Yes, sir.
practically to the class, then you will be given good punishment if you don't do the assignments for your good children. My dear, please do your work, okay? Their attitude surprised us. We, okay, their
We were
attitude.
surprised by their attitude.
Very good, because it is past tense here. You have seen. Who is that boy who said this answer?
Saksham and Saksham.
Okay, fine. Shilla is cooler than Dehradun. Dehradun is,
Is
see,
not as cool as Shimla.
very good. Is not as cool as. Who is the child who said?
Vedant.
Vedant. And what about the girls? Why girls are quiet? Sakshi and all these girls. What happened to you all? Not telling the answer. Very few towns are as big as Lucknow. Lucknow is.
One of the
What
biggest
the
towns.
biggest
See here, very few is there. Very few towns are as big as Lucknow. Lucknow is,
Is one of the
One
biggest.
of the biggest towns.
okay, one of the biggest towns, or bigger than many other towns, okay? Here, because few other towns are as big, remember this. यहाँ पर अगर आपको you feel a bit of confused, no? You go with those sentences, and that is the reason, my dear children, I am telling you to do the assignment. लिखना, एक बार लिखना 10 times reading बराबर है, ठीक है? तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. Therefore, you have to write it. So, very few towns are as big as Lucknow. Lucknow is bigger
one of the
than
biggest town.
biggest town. Some, but
One of the biggest town.
yes, one of the that is good, because क्योंकि ये biggest नहीं है, one of the, right? Okay, fine. Australia is the smallest continent. बहुत easy है.
No other
No
continent.
other continent is as
As
small
small
as
as
Yes,
Australia.
Australia.
as small as Australia, no other continent, क्योंकि आपको या तो बिगनिंग या तो एंड दिया जाता है. देखो आईसीएससी में इसलिए दिस इज दैट इज द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ इट. ये सारे जो सिलेबस भले इफ इट इज डिफिकल्ट, मगर आपको ये सिंप्लीफाइड करके देते हैं, सो इट इज वेरी इजी टू पास आउट दिस एंड विद गुड मार्क्स. फ्लाइंग कलर्स. ही वॉज डिसमिस्ड फॉर नेग्लिजेंस. यूज
He was
नेग्लिजेंस.
He was
negligent
dismissed for being negligent.
Okay, fine. He was dismissed for being negligent. That's good enough. Okay, use negligent instead of.
He
Uh,
was negligent and dismissed.
okay. Then that is coming in a compound sentence. Fine. That is, you are making the transformation, but you are taking care that the meaning shouldn't change. Fine. The rats gave us a lot of trouble. We had the troublesome rats.
Gives us lot of
Trouble. Okay. Okay, fine. This we are doing it the second or third time. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. Stories. We have done this, right? Plot, construction, this, that, everything. Okay. Depicted beginning of the story. Now, writing a story different. I given you all this, right? We have discussed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Discuss.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Discussed.
ma'am.
We have discussed. So I'm not going to discuss it once more because it is already been done, and I'm sure you have written. How many bachas have given the assignment? कितने सारे बच्चे ने लिखा already? 1, 2, 4, 5. Boys, how many boys have done? I will cut your marks, okay? अगर आप लोग ने नहीं लिखा तो. Have you done, yes or no? Children, boys, am I asking you some question? You're not answering. Okay, so it is, I'm taking for granted your marks are going to be cut. Fine, very good. Girls, tell me, girls. How many of the girls have done the assignment? My goodness. You are so calm and quiet with nothing. Okay, this was a week of your test and all. So anyhow, you should complete the work. Okay, children, that is for your good. So girls also, your marks I should cut or what? You people have done good in English, so I think so. You're not liable for the marks. So therefore, I should cut your marks, isn't it? So be careful. Please do your assignment. That's good for you only. Okay. So we have already seen readers may like, dislike the characters and all such things again. Okay, and here we have. Okay, have you written this? The second one. Have you written the second one? Journey by Scooter. That was an easy one. But you are so interested with the first haunted mansion that you said we all will do this, ma'am. So please, you will do this, right? What is that? The story based on the legend, the horrible monster. This one. It's a very beautiful story which you're going to write. Please do it, right? Okay, now summarize. This also we have done. This also is done. Fine. Pasteurization of milk, etc. Fine. These all we have done. We were with sentence transformation too, right? Transformation too. Fine. In a simple sentence. Okay. Now here this comes up to the simple, complex, and compound sentences. Okay. We were to start this. Fine. Now simple sentence can be changed to compound by enlarging the word or phrase into coordinate clause. What is PHRAC? Phrase is a group of words which make incomplete sense. आप जानते हो ना what is sentence? Sentence group of words which make complete sense. ये दोनों का difference ये है. Simple. In spite of his riches, he is unhappy. We are what are we doing? We are enlarging the phrase. Okay. He is very rich, but still he is unhappy. He is very rich, but still he is unhappy is compound. Failing prompt payment, the goods must be returned to us. You must either make prompt payment or return the goods. You see the yes. You must either do this or this will be done. He is rich but he is happy. Have you seen the conjunction? Okay, so you have to put over there a conjunction there. Okay, now we will see the other sentences. You will get to know better. Now conversion of what? Compound to simple. Okay, this one, compound to simple. Now, what have you to keep in mind? Substituting a participle. That is the reason I told you need to know the basics. What is participle? What is finite verb? All that you need to know. Therefore, this textbook has all the things. If you read the chapters, you will keep in mind all that. Compound. She finished her work and went to bed. Having finished the work, she went to bed. Now see, she finished her work and what did she do? She finished. So this is a finite verb. She finished her work and went to bed. Having finished a verb. See this substituting a participle for a finite. Here. Having finished two is coming in the to bed. Okay. So having finished the work, she went to bed. Substituting a preposition for a clause. She cleaned the statue and then decorated it. What is that? Preposition. And then decorated it. After cleaning the statue, she decorated it. Okay. Now, by substituting infinite for a clause. What is infinite? Without any limit. Compound. You must hurry up or you will miss the train. In a simple, you must hurry or what is that written there? Or you will miss the train. Okay. Now, let's read further. Conversion of what simple sentence to complex. Now keep in mind. Okay, you must hurry up so as not to miss the train. Okay, that was getting cut away. No, the print and all. So you must hurry up so as not to miss the train. And simple sentence can be changed to complex. How is that? By changing the word or phrase into subordinate. Children, what is subordinate? Subordinate clause is such a clause that is not the main clause, subordinate clause. The subordinate clause cannot stand on its own. Okay, that is what is called subordinate. He confessed his fault. He confessed that he was at fault. देखा the conjunction that he confessed his fault is the simple sentence, and here he says he confessed that he was at fault. You have to simply write down at least 10 sentences each. First you will go for the simple complex, then you will go for the simple compound, then this vice versa. Like that you have to do each, then only you will be able to understand the difference between all the three. Simple, a man of wisdom. See this, a man of wisdom. Okay, so what is here? It is saying that you have expand the word or phrase. यहाँ पर phrase क्या है? Man किस प्रकार का है? Man of wisdom is respected by all. A man who is wise is respected by all. देखा wisdom का, अगर आप लोग को पता है wisdom is meaning wise, you would have already learnt what is the noun form, adjectival form, ये सारी चीजें आपको already पहले से पता होना चाहिए. इसलिए आपको जो टेक्स्ट बुक है ना, आप रिवाइज कीजिए right from the beginning, because that is all important. Kinds of noun, kinds of pronoun, ये सारे चीज आप लोग रिवाइज करोगे ना, because this you learned in smaller classes, but as you come to the bigger classes you're forgetting, and we don't have time to revise all those things, and it's very important. This grammar book, never throw it away. Tell mom don't give in that pasti and all that. It is very important. Okay, a man of wisdom is respected by all. A man who is wise. Now conversion of what? Complex to simple. Complex sentence can be converted to the simple by changing the noun clause. यहाँ पर आपको पता होना चाहिए noun clause क्या है, adjectival clause क्या है, ठीक है, adverbial clause क्या है. What is an adverb? Noun is a naming word. It is the name of all. What is a noun? So that goes to the nomination. That what to say? The second fifth chapter. Okay, that is also very important, that you will get the noun from there. You should know all the types of nouns and what is a clause. Also you should keep in mind adjective. What is adjective? I already told you, adjective is a word which adds something to the noun or a pronoun. Adverb we have already seen. Quickly I took the recap that day. Adverb is a word which adds something to the verb, and adjective or another adverb. Now the clause as shown below. Let's see. Complex is what? Tell me where you live. It is complex. And simple is where you live is what? It is concerning the address. So tell me your address. It's simple sentence. So it is enlarged. Tell me where you live. But here you say tell me your address. That is in a very simple form. Okay. Now we have completed. Okay, this one is okay, fine. Now I think so. The other one, which is transformation. Now transformation of sentence meaning changing of the okay, verb or form of sentence without changing its meaning. Okay. Okay, this is I think of the textbook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is yes, fine. I told you we have to see the textbook also. So there are a lot of exercises to practice, my dear. And you will not tell me you're not come with the assignment, girls and boys. Because I'm not happy with your English. My goodness, be careful. So we have already seen this from the workbook Total English. I won't repeat this, but it is very good for your assignment. Therefore, only I have told that this has to be done. See, active passive. Okay, we have done with that. Then exclamatory. इंट्रोगेटिव, एफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव, डायरेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट. डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यहाँ पर आप लोग मार खा जाते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि पता है डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट व्हेन यू डू नो you are forgetting where to remove the what to say the inverted commas open and close, and where you have to put the conjunction that is very important. Now expressing condition, concession or contrast in different ways, interchanging the kind of sentence into another. So here it's an excellent exercise and all that. Fine, tremendously express give. And let's go to the next. This was just a reminder. Now the methods, this we have already seen. Too difficult for me, it's so difficult. This we are just reading through. Keep your pencils in your hand, so whatever I say you underline it. Okay, he is too clever to be easily deceived. Deceived का मतलब क्या है बच्चे? Deceived मतलब cheated. Okay, he is he is too clever to be deceived. He is so clever that he cannot be deceived easily. आपको समझ में आता है बच्चे? Simply I am reading
Yes,
reading and सारे बच्चे girls as well as boys. Okay, he is too cowardly to bend. Here also we have seen this, right? Cowardly means, I was just giving you the pronunciation of this. So he is too eager of praise, he is over eager. This also was just a revision of all that what we did. Now adverb 2 is followed by an adjective and then by a verb. Okay, first containing so and the second beginning with that. Let's see that. Original sentence contains no negative word and the subordinate. Subordinate मैंने आपको कहा पहले ही, subordinate is that clause which cannot stand on its own. Main clause नहीं है, ये subordinate clause है. It becomes negative. ये सारे जो नोट्स पढ़ते हैं ना, व्हेन वी रीड द सेंटेंसेस, ये सारे चीजें याद होना चाहिए आपको. इफ द सेंटेंस contains a negative word, subordinate clause becomes positive. Remember this. Negative word, if it contains negative, what happens? Subordinate matlab not the main clause, it becomes positive directly. There is no infinitive after TW2. It can be replaced by the word more than enough, beyond the proper limit, over, excessively, etc. No sooner had he arrived. These are just the rules, therefore I am just going through quickly. No sooner had he arrived home than, देखा, no sooner than आपको याद रखना चाहिए. no sooner के साथ, no sooner जो यूसेज है ना, no sooner this one than. Okay, no sooner than no sooner he arrived home, THAN, than. एक का जगह में ई नहीं लिखो, नहीं तो तुम्हारे मार्क्स कट जाएंगे. He was asked to start on another journey. As soon as he arrived, he was asked to start on another journey. Okay, so as soon as the sales began, we bought our Diwali presents. No sooner did the sales begin. This is again what? A helping word. Okay, no sooner did the sales begin than. You've seen the usage of no sooner. Where is it? No sooner did the sales begin, THAN, than. Okay, than we bought our Diwali presents. Okay, now no sooner it was said, it is gone in that printing. Okay, so you just read it and understand. There is a note which you have to keep in mind. No sooner had he and he had no sooner. Both these constructions are correct. दोनों आप लोग लिख सकते हो, but the former is more having more force. Former मतलब no sooner had he, ठीक है, not the latter. In no sooner construction the past perfect, ये आपको याद है ये सारे टेंस का 12 फॉर्म्स. Past perfect tense was insisted by one strict grammarians. by strict grammarians, but the simple past is accepted as correct one. Okay. No sooner had the clock struck 10 THAN than. याद रखो आप लोग no sooner के साथ you will use than. No sooner than. We went to bed. No sooner did the clock strike 10 than we went to bed. Keep this usage in mind. It will be easy for you. Interchange of degree of comparison, no other boys. Okay, now I think so you can just read. Two each can read. Positive. Read the first one. First boys, then the girls. Positive. Read the positive children. No other boy. Boys, you are listening or not? Where are the boys? Boys don't want. Yes, read it. No other boy. Read. No other boy is as tall as Jacob.
Jacob.
Fine. Jacob is
Taller than any other boy.
Yes. So this is comparative because now we know that he is in the whole of the class. Therefore, the superlative will come. Jacob is the tallest boy. Girls, positive. Read this. No other food. Girls.
Is as nutritious as milk. Milk
Okay.
is more nutritious than any other food.
Okay.
Most nutritious food.
My dear girlie, the nourishing, you just changed the whole word. Nutritious बोला आपने. What is your name? Say nourishing. Okay. No other food is as nourishing as milk. Milk is more nourishing than any other food, and milk is the most nourishing. Okay. Food. Mumbai. Boys. One of the boys. Read. Mumbai is.
Mumbai is the
Mumbai is the
richest
richest
city
city
in
in
India.
India.
Okay. Next. Okay, read the next. Mumbai is richer
Richer
than.
than
Mumbai is
any
richer
other
than
city
any
in
other city in
India.
India.
Okay. Third one. No other city in India is
So rich as
so rich
Mumbai.
as Mumbai. So this is the comparison of Mumbai to many other. Therefore, we know all the three degrees will come. Girls, radium, superlative. Start quickly. Who is that girl? Radium.
Radium of the most valuable metal.
Okay. Second one. Radium
Radium
is
valuable than most other metals.
okay. Third one. Very few.
Very few metals are as valuable as radium.
Children, who is that girl? What is your name, my dear? What's your name?
Diya.
दिया. Other girls, there are so many girls and so many boys. ये एक या
Diya.
दो. हाँ, बहुत सारे boys girls हैं. उसमें से सिर्फ एक दो तीन ही participate करते हैं, my dear. Why are you like this? Try to. All of you can read one by one. देखो ये boys, come on. Very few metals. Okay, we'll go for this Wordsworth. Wordsworth. Read from there, boys. Wordsworth.
Wordsworth
Was
was
one
one
of
of
the
the
greatest
greatest English poets.
Okay, second
What
one.
was greater than most other English poets.
Okay, fine.
Very few English
Very.
poets were as great as Wordsworth.
Very good. Who is that? Vedant spoke this?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. That boy is, I think he is very obedient. I feel from your voice, you are an obedient child. I think your parents you obey also. Very good. Come on, now girls' turn. Very few hill stations. Come on, girlie. Very few hill stations.
Shimla is more beautiful than most other hill stations in India.
Okay. First one नहीं बोला. Very few. बोल दिया ये. First one नहीं बोला. Very few hill stations.
Very few hill stations in India are as beautiful as Shimla.
Okay. Third one. Shimla is
Shimla
the.
is one of the most beautiful hill station in India.
Who is this girl who read it?
Dhanashri.
Dhanashri. Okay, she's a good girl, obedient. Come on, boys. Asha, start with this.
Asha is not one of the best story writers in English.
Okay.
Some story writers in
Some
English
story
are better
writers in
than
English are better than
Asha.
Asha.
Okay. Positive is yes. Is less good than. Have you seen this? Is less good than some other story writers in English. Positive here another way. Asha is not so good as story writer. Have you seen the usage of a? We saw it last time, right? Asha is not so good a story writer. Have you seen? Yes. In English. Okay. Fine. Let's go to the other one. Asha is not so good. That's done. Superlative. Girls. Arun.
Arun
Arun.
is the tallest of all the students.
Okay.
Arun is not taller than some other students.
Okay. There
There are
are.
some students taller than Arun.
Okay.
Arun is not as tall as other students.
Very good girl. And I can't find any other any other voice of any girl. Only one girl has to read. Okay, so you're giving me an idea you are disobedient, eh? So be very careful. You all have to participate. Interchange of part of speech. We have already done it. Let us see this verb succeeded in his attempt. Now, noun, his attempt was crowned with success. Beautiful statement, as I told you last time also. His attempt was successful. That is adjective. Respect to elders is verb. Therefore, respect. See, here it is in the form of verb. Adjective, be respectful. What type of children you should be? Respectful children. Therefore, it is adjective. Now, show respect. Okay, he died in an instant. That is noun here. His death was instant. Okay, adverb here instantaneously. We have already seen that. Verb, he works. I'm not reading the whole lot. See, just I'm giving you that particular word. His works, he works intelligently. Okay, adverb, his work with intelligence. So you should know this is ly means adverb intelligence. Generally the nouns end in ce. Okay, okay, be careful that. Adverb, young man apparently a fool and young man appeared. This is verb. Okay, evident, he hides the true facts from us. What is that? It is evident that he hides the true facts. What type of facts? True. Therefore, it is adjective. It is giving more meaning to the noun fact fact. हर बार आप जब लिखते रहते हैं ना then you should remember the definition in your mind. तुरंत ये याद आ जाएगा. ठीक है? Adverb. He evidently hides. The evident you will write he evidently hides the true facts from us. Now you should write all this, at least 5 from the illustrative examples and from here also. Done? Okay. So children, I think so you have understood, right? And it's time up also. And thank you for giving keen attention. Have a good day and bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be putting the next. Yes, bye bye bye, children. We'll be seeing further. Okay, from the.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, do your assignment and come next time. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, be careful, others. Your parents should be complained. Be careful.
अब इसके बाद क्या करना है मैम वो बताइए।
वो बता ज़्यादा इंतजाम है।
Answer. Swipe an icon in any direction. The 31st of July.